There are currently 125 homes for sale in Annapolis, priced between $150,000 and $24,900,000. 19 homes are for lease between $1,400 and $6,000 per month. This is a much lower than normal supply for both resale and lease properties. It's Friday, February 19th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. 19 homes were listed for sale since last Friday. 17 homes are coming soon. 15 homes went under contract since last week. 21 are temporarily off the market. 12 went to pending, and 25 sold over the past week, with the highest sale in 21409's Belfield Farms community for $5,275,000, and the lowest priced property was in Riva Commons for $175,000. Do you have questions about your situation for 2021? Give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 19th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.